Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the AI Girls. My name's Alicia, and I am your AI girl. And today I'm so excited to share with you a platform that I've been playing around with, and for whatever reason, I just haven't even showed you. And that's Midjourney. I'm sure you guys have heard it. And today I'm just gonna go over the basics of Midjourney, just navigating it, understanding it, how to prompt something. So let's get into it. First, obviously you have to pay for Midjourney. I forgot off the top of my head how much it is. I know it is $100 or more, but it's worth it if you're going to use it as much as I do. When you first get into it, there's a lot going on, as you can see from here, but there is an easy way on how to go about this and to actually get what you want done without having to go through this whole community side. So remember, guys, Discord is a community-based platform for people to have conversations. But if you want to create your art in a private messaging, a workaround that I found, and the only way I found to go around it, is once you enter and you get in, it'll kind of look like this. But then I encourage you just to go to discord.com and then hit Midjourney bot, and that will take you to a private message where you're not publicly giving out your art, and especially in my case, your face. I was doing this for a while, and just to show you guys, once you're in here, here is all the threads where you can create some images. And I was doing it like this, not knowing that there was a private way, and I was giving away all my photos. And I noticed other people were using my photos all of a sudden and creating more AI with it. So my face is probably out there somewhere on someone's, I don't know, background of their phone, their printed out on a wall. I have no idea, but in AI form, you could probably notice my eyes or something, who knows. But yeah, anyway, so just skip a step, just go to discord.com and you'll get all of your attachments here. But we're going to be here in Midjourney. Here is one that I created that I love a while back that I need to still use, but I kind of look like ninja badass vibes. So, and it does look like me, so I love it. But today I'm going to show you how you can do this for yourself. So let's get into that. So to add your image in, the first thing that you do is literally just drag and drop it in. So you're gonna see I'm gonna grab this plus sign and I'm gonna upload a file, and I'm gonna grab the file that I chose. This is just a headshot, but let's see if it allows me to. Looks like so far no problems, which is great. You never know with these things. But what you're going to want to do from here, once it's processed and it looks like it's uploaded, which looks like we're not having any issues, you're going to go here and then you're going to click on it and hit open in browser. And right here is the link to your file. So you're going to want to copy that link and then head back into your Discord message where you're going to prompt it -imagine. And then after that, you get the prompt section. You have to hit /imagine. If you don't do that, nothing is going to happen. That is super, super important in Midjourney. But here I'm going to paste that link that I got from over here. That's all it is that link. And then I'm going to prompt it to do something. I'm going to say create a picture of a girl running in a field of flowers. And let's see what it does. So then you send it in, and it does take a little bit of time. I know that when you are in the public ones, they are very long. I'm not sure if the private ones get any priority. I don't think they do, but it looks like we're moving pretty quick. So let's see what we're getting here. Ooh, that one of those looks scary. Look at me, yikes. And it's cool, you can kind of see the process as it's going. Awesome, so here's our images. And I'm just let's open in browser so you can see it better. So wow, so definitely you can see my face in these. They definitely don't totally look like me, but there's some resemblances. This girl's really pretty, actually. She's like gorgeous. Like, I love that one. This one, not so much so crazy about, but you know, now we got blue eyes here. but not bad. And what's cool is if there's one that you like, you can make renditions of it. So I'm just going to say right now that I'm in love with this one right here. So the way that this is work is they are labeled 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the one that we liked is U3 and V3. So the U just allows you to pull out of these 4 options that one image. So it will take that one image out and allow you to download it independently. So first I'm going to hit the U3 and it's just going to give me a little bit of wait time, but boom, we have this independently, and it gives us some options of some other things that we can do with it. But the biggest thing is that we can download it, and let's see if that's, I don't know if that's the download button. I don't know what that is. I know the way that I download, not to confuse you guys, is I go right here, same thing. I click on it, open in browser, and then I'll just save the image this way so I have it. That's just the way that I've always done it. But if we did like this one, we can make variations of it. So I'm going to go back up here and just click that button, variation 3. And then it's going to prompt us and make some variations. All right, so I'm gonna open browser just so I can see this better. So the variations were meh. Like sometimes they do a little bit more, but these just look like, I don't know. I'm not too crazy. I like the first one better. I don't know what you think, but I'm gonna start from scratch and I'm gonna play around with this more and let's see what else we get. So I'm gonna go back to, and I'm gonna have to find it again. I'm gonna go back up to me dropping this image in and I'm gonna grab that link again right here. That's also the good thing about doing it in the private messaging is when you're with other people, there's other people uploading. Like, I don't even know why people do it. I think it's just because they don't know about the personal chat room. It took me a while to figure out. I was always in there and I was watching my images get stolen and I'm like, oh no. So this is definitely the route that you want to go. But here I'm going to do the same thing, /imagine. And what's cool, once you upload an image, as long as you have that link, you can always refer back to that link. So you can save it and store it if it's a link that you want to use a lot. But I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add this and say, create this girl to be swimming in a pond with a bunch of frogs around. Have her have a flower in her hair. So I'm getting very specific, but let's see what it says. And just to note too, guys, I'm not an expert in the actual prompts of Midjourney, but there's a lot of websites that you can refer to get exactly what you're looking for. There's so many talented people that have already figured out these prompts. I do want to dive more into it, but just, time's sake. But this is just really good just to know from a foundational standpoint of how this works. And as I can see, it doesn't look like it got the whole pond thing very well, but let's see. We haven't gotten there yet. All right, let's open in browser. Okay, so I'd say maybe this one kind of looks like me. So it's I like that it made frogs around me instead of like me swimming in a pond of frogs. This one's got it right though. Let's zoom out really quick. That's right. I said a flower in my hair, not a frog in my hair, but like that's right. So this is more swimming. We could tell I'm swimming here. Here it just looks like a cool background, but that definitely did it pretty dang close to what I was looking for. So that one, I kind of look like myself aside from the green eyes. I mean, sometimes my eyes are green. Some of you guys may say that doesn't look like me at all, but I think that's not bad. I like that one. We got a frog in our hair. Whoever knew I ever wanted that? I definitely didn't. So I'm going to grab, so this is in position number 1. So I'm going to grab U1 just so we can download that one. then, let's see what variations it can make out of it. Let's see what it does. And so for that, we're going to hit V1. Looks like I got a bunch of more frogs coming in my hair. Sweet. So let's see what we got. So maybe I like that one better. I'm not sure. Just minor changes with the face. Nothing too crazy. That one's kind of cute too. What do we think about this one right here? Not bad. I think that one kind of has my structure more. We're getting there. So yeah, this is just fun, guys. It's so much fun to play with, and especially my thumbnails I've been creating for my videos have all been done through Midjourney. So it's been fun to navigate this and just see what it comes up with. But I hope that you learned something about Midjourney and how to just navigate it. It isn't as hard as you think as far as the foundations go, the fundamentals. But to really get to the next level and get the specifics of what you want, it does take a lot of time and learning, and there's so much out there online. So I recommend you to do that. I'm going to be doing more and just learning it more just because I find it so fun in my free time. But I hope that you liked this video and liked learning more about how to use Midjourney. My name's Alicia. I'm your AI girl. And if you're on YouTube and you like what you saw today, make sure that you like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and until next time in the AI Girl Room.